fix Google Gemini not creating image. So if you are not being able to create the image on Google Gemini, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that your device may not be connected to strong Wi-Fi or any kind of data. The second reason may be that your app has any kind of update, or the third reason may be the either on your app or there may be some kind of box. So to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to strong Wi-Fi or data. And even if your device is already connected to strong Wi-Fi or data, if you are still not being able to fix it, then turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, it helps you to fix the box or error which are on the network. So the third option is by going on Play Store or App Store and tap on the option of search, and you just need to search for the app called Google Gemini and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, then make sure to update the app to the latest version available, and by doing it, you'll be able to fix the issue. So if that is working, that's great. If that doesn't help, then you just need to restart your device for once and you'll be able to fix the issue of Google Gemini not creating the image. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.